Hello, let me show you how you can enable USB debugging on OPPO A5. So first of all, you have to open the settings and from here scroll all the way down and go to About Device. Now go to Version and keep tapping on version number on the top. As you can see, you are now a developer because we are enabling developer options. Now go back, go to System and Update, and here you can find developer options on the bottom. So now in the developer options, we can find USB debugging. Turn it on by using the switcher, and this is the notification about USB debugging is intended for development purposes only. Use it to copy data between your computer and your device, install apps on your device without notification, and read log data. Just click OK over here, and now as you can see, I have USB debugging enabled. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.